Hi everyone. Rosemary may not survive winter in zone 6B and colder, so now is the best time to propagate a few cuttings to get free plants for next year. You need to take cuttings from the top of the plant. Make sure it still has some leaf nodes between the top and where the stem is cut. Remove the leaves from the bottom part of the stem and leave some leaves at the top. Now we are going to put these cuttings into a glass of tap water and place it on a sunny window. We will leave this glass alone except for refilling the water when it is too low. Here are the same cuttings nearly 8 days later, and you can see that the roots have started to show up. These cuttings are ready to be planted right now, but we are going to give it a few more days to let the roots grow a bit bigger. We got a bit busy and didn't get a chance to pot these cuttings earlier. So now, nearly 15 days later, you can see that these cuttings have grown a big root system. We are going to plant these cuttings today. We plan to keep these plants indoor to use during fall and winter months. To keep fungus, knot, and other bugs from making home, we are covering the top of this potting mix with sand. Propagating herbs is the only first step. To get a huge harvest from herb plants, try this technique we shared in this video linked right here.